Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever forgotten your Cash App PIN or just want to update it for better security, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to reset it quickly and safely. This process usually takes less than a minute, so let's dive right in. First, make sure you have the Cash App installed on your phone and that you're logged into your account. If not, open the app and sign in now. Step 1. Launch the Cash App from your home screen. You'll see your balance and recent transactions on the main page. Step 2. Tap on the profile icon, which is typically located in the top right or bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your personal profile page. Step 3. Scroll down or look for the Privacy and Security section. It might be under Settings or a dedicated tab. Tap on that to proceed. Step 4. In the Security settings, find and select the option that says Change PIN or Reset PIN. This is where the magic happens. Step 5. The app will prompt you to verify your identity. This could involve entering your email, phone number, or using a biometric method like fingerprint or Face ID. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm it's really you. Step 6. Once verified, you'll be asked to create a new 4-digit PIN. Choose something memorable but secure. Avoid obvious numbers like birthdays. Step 7. Re-enter the new PIN to confirm it. If everything matches, your PIN will be updated instantly. And there you have it. Your Cash App PIN is now reset and ready to use. Remember, always keep your PIN private to protect your account from unauthorized access. If you encounter any issues, like if the reset option isn't available, head over to the Cash App Help Center or contact their support team. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. See you in the next video.